Guys, in this video we're going to take some old rubber window motor boots that are pretty rough shape and we're going to make them look new again. Stick around. Alright guys, so here's the first look at our window motor rubber boots, and you can tell these are really dirty and they seem to be in good shape. They're a little stiff, but they're not dry rotted and they're not ripped anywhere that I can see. They just need a little bit of attention. This one's got a little bit of paint on it. This one is missing a piece right here, but that doesn't really matter. It's this piece that we're concerned about. So we're going to see if we can restore these. And this process should work for any type of rubber parts that you may have for your project car, not just window motor boots. And I'll bring you along to see how it turns out. I'm only going to do one of these to start out with. That way we can have a comparison on camera. And to get started, what I'm going to do, I just went down to the store and got a Rubbermaid container. And basically, I'm going to start with the cleanup part first, and to do that I'm just going to soak this in some simple green to make sure the lid is going to fit. We got our rubber boot sitting in some simple green. We'll see if we can get some of that paint overspray off of it and all the dirt and grime from the past 40 years. So we'll check this in a day or so and we'll see how it cleans up. Now you may remember the kit that I bought came with these, and these are just kind of a universal. And I started to use these, but they're just going to require just a little bit of modification to use these. You might remember on a previous clip that I had showed that basically the cutout on the car would be fine. We would be able to use this right there. But the cutout on the door would require some modification. Not much, but it is something that would need to be addressed. Alright guys, so it's been about 48 hours. Going to go ahead and remove our power window boot from our simple green cleaning solution and go ahead and give it a good cleaning. Now just real quick, I'm just going to double check. I just want to make sure that this hasn't swelled up or anything, and it looks like it's okay. So now I'm going to be using just an old toothbrush and these green scrub pads. These aren't real aggressive. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get this cleaned up. As you can see, this old paint that was on this boot is just coming right off. So this is just a bucket of clean water. I'm going to go over it one more time, just to make sure that I haven't missed anything. I'm actually not even going to use these green scuff pads. This old toothbrush is working out just fine. So guys, our boot come out really good coming out of the Simple Green solution. I'm real happy with the way this turned out. It actually did soften it up quite a bit. And you know, I still had one more step that I was wanting to do on these boots. And that's the thing, sometimes you get into these projects and sometimes they don't go the way you thought they were going to go. My next step was actually going to be to soak these rubber boots in a solution of isopropyl alcohol and wintergreen oil. We're going to do a 3-to-1, and what this would have done is soften the rubber a little bit more. But on further inspection, I just don't feel the need to go any further with this. This will display really nice on the car. And guys, they turned out looking brand new. You know, I have seen guys on YouTube soak these parts in automatic transmission fluid. I've seen them soak them in brake fluid, mineral spirits, Marvel mystery oil, all kinds of stuff. And to me, this Simple Green actually did the trick. So I'm not going to be going any further. Going to go ahead and get this other one in the solution and get it cleaned up. We'll let it soak for 48 hours. I'll get it cleaned up and I'll bring you back. Right here's a shot of both of them cleaned up. They both turned out fantastic. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Also, be sure to check out one of my other videos. With all that said, I appreciate each and every one of you. We'll see you next time.